Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will display square pattern using C++ programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's get started. So we are here in dev C++, the compiler and integrated development environment that I'm using. So we have here sharp include IOStream for input output for every C++ program using namespace steady. Int main, it is the starting and ending point of every C++ program. So begin, and then we have several variables that is being declared that has a data type of integer. We have variable I, j, and size. In this case, the size of our square pattern is 8 that will display a series of asterisk symbol. Now, when we say data type integer, if we are new with computer programming, we are referring to a set of values that can only accept whole number, negative, and 0. So console out, new line here, the title of our program, \t horizontal tab, escape sequence, square pattern in C++. We have also here new line, and then using nested loop statement to generate the square pattern, we have here for I equals 1, I less than or equal to size, which has a value of 8. I increment, and then we have here horizontal tab to move the image of the pattern in our screen, and then we have also another loop inside. That's why we called it nested loop, a loop within a loop. J equals 1, j less than or equal size, increment, and then we display the symbol asterisk. You may also use different characters if you want to, and then we close our loop statement here, new line, and then the outer for loop statement we close and then return 0. It will terminate and return to our operating system. In this case, we will go back to our code blocks integrated development environment, and then we close the main function of our C++ program. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. Let us compile and run. Go to execute, compile and run in dev C++. Okay, so we have here square pattern in C++. So we have here the pattern. Okay, so that's it. We are able to create square pattern in C++ to display asterisk symbol in our screen. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Please click the like button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified with my newly uploaded video, and don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.